tell you this story because I didn't have a mic installed into my helmet, alright? So I'm over here riding my bike. I moving myself away from that group that I found. I see this biker beat. I honking my horn because he's on a bike. He's a kid, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, let me turn around. Let me make his day for him. You know what I'm saying? You about to hear that when I pull up my helmet.
About to make this dude's day.
So I'm over here turning around. I'm about to pull up to him, say what's up. He likes bikes, right? Listen to the whole encounter right here.
You got a bike? That's a nice bike.
I asked him one thing, he starts crying.
You like bikes?
Then he's covering his ears like the bike is too loud. So I'm like, you know what? The best thing to do is just ride away. And that's exactly how it happened.
Right, yo. You scared of the bike. And it's so funny.